Welcome to Easy Homestead. Question for you. Have you been putting hard work into growing vegetables such as squash, watermelon, cucumbers, or even tomatoes, and have been seeing holes in your leaves or fruit, and you're wondering what bug has the audacity to eat my plants? Well, my friend, I have the perfect video for you that will identify the problem and give you the no BS solution. Come with me and let's get to work.
Now, here you have 3 squash plants that I grew about a month and a half ago. I did absolutely no treatment whatsoever, so I can show you the full extent of the damage that happens. This is a combination of the squash bug and the white moth caterpillar. They absolutely ravish this plant, particularly more than anything. This is a sugar-ready plant. And what you'll find is when you turn over the leaves, you'll find larvae right underneath the back of the leaves. I'm going to show you real quick how to actually destroy these, annihilate, and send them straight to buggy hell or heaven. And here you have another example of extensive damage. This right here is one of my favorite squashes to grow. This is the honeyboat delicata. And you can see the audacity of these bugs to leave their eggs right here all over. And also, if you flip this over, you will have it right here too. Crazy damage, so disrespectful. And I'll show you even to the point where this one is so damaged. This is a sugar ready. It has vine borers. They have bored all the way down into the base of the plant and actually decimated to the point that it's on its deathbed. And this right here is my cucumber plant, one of my favorite varieties to grow, which is called Party Time. And as you can see, the damage is so extensive that it's not just the leaves, but check this out. We have vine borers also. The disrespect is through the roof. They have dug in, but we can get them out. Now, where they like to hide is right inside of these flowers, the male or the female flower. And how you can tell that there's one inside is the entry point. It's right here, right at the tip. They like to burrow in, get inside, and come here because this has sugar, pollen inside of it, and they can feed. Now, let's pop this open to see what's inside. If you have children around, I suggest you put them away because this is about to get super nasty. Viewer discretion is advised. Now let's go right here. Let's pop her open. Oof.
A few moments later.
What popped out of this thing? These two right here. Absolutely disgusting. These will absolutely decimate your crop. This is a smaller one, and as you can see, as it feeds and gets bigger, it becomes a huge larvae. Absolutely monstrous. So this will burrow into the base of your actual plant, burrow right in and become a vine borer on it. Destroy it from the inside.
Now, your first line of offense is Neem Oil, but not just any Neem Oil, Neem Oil Max by Captain Jack's. Now, the reason why I like this particular brand of Neem Oil is that it's not just an insecticide, but it's a fungicide, a miticide, and a nematicide. These will take care of the majority of the issues that would happen with our plants. Now, I know what you're thinking. What the hell is Neem Oil? Is this some type of synthetic GMO product made next to some Wolverine X-Men like experiment? No, it's actually one of the most eco-friendly, all organic solutions that we can use to defend ourselves from these pests.
Now, neem oil actually comes from the neem tree. These are native to Southeast Asia, India, and parts of Africa. This has been used for thousands of years for agricultural and health benefits. Think of it as like the Swiss Army knife of the garden and health. Now, what they would do is take the seeds of the neem tree and cold press it till you have oil, kind of like how you would do with olive oil. Now, what this would do to the insects is incredible. Now, the easy way of understanding what neem oil essentially is its nature's natural appetite suppressant for bugs, bug birth control, and eviction notice all in one. Now, when a bug eats a plant that is covered in neem oil, what essentially happens is that bug becomes infertile. On top of that, whatever eggs that it produces are not effective at all. It loses its ability to molt properly to evolve into the next step. So when they continually eat it, that essentially just dies off. Now, the second devastating thing that neem oil does to insects is that they drastically lose their appetite. It gets so bad that the insects die of starvation. That's right. Think of it as if like you ate a huge Thanksgiving meal and you're full all the time. So bad to the point that you don't want to put nothing in your mouth, not even a French fry. This is exactly how these insects feel. Next up is BT, also known as Bacillus thuringiensis. This is a naturally occurring bacterium found in the soil. You have to think about this as like a sniper rifle used to take care of problem pests specifically and will not damage the good bugs such as your bees and your butterflies. Now, BT can be used in many different ways depending on your plant and the magnitude of the infestation that you have. Now here you see I have a very bad vine borer damage, so I'm actually going to be injecting BT directly into the stem of the plant with a syringe needle. Now, make sure that you do this with a clean technique. Get a brand new alcohol swab and clean the site that you actually will be puncturing. Remember, plants are organisms also, so treat them as so. Now, you want to inject about 1/2 inch to 1 inch of the hollow part of the base of the stem. This will actually kill the vine borer within about 24 to 48 hours. And after you finish injecting, you can place a band-aid or even Elmer's glue to the site. And the last weapon of choice is a beauty product that a lot of women use, and it's called Kaolin Clay. That's right. We use this as a armor on the leaves of the plant to protect against bugs. Because just imagine that you're at the beach eating a sub and sand gets inside of that sandwich. Would you like to continue eating? I think not. Now, here's a dirty little secret that a lot of seasoned gardeners, such as myself, like to use. Kaolin clay and neem oil together, we place it into a solution and we combine the powers of both. We have the offensive power of neem oil and the defensive power of Kaolin clay. It is diabolical.
All right, so if you're still a skeptic, I want you to remember the beginning of the video on how decimated these three were. After 1 week of treatment of the Kaolin clay and the neem oil, look at the progress. They have recovered so well, I'm now producing fruit. Take a look. Right over here, now we have squash growing on this part and right part over here. I had hand fertilized it also, but still, it recovered tremendously. This is remarkable. This right here, that was the worst out of all three. It has now new growth that is growing and has no new damage that has happened at all. As you can see, the Kaolin clay has been on all this. All of the bugs that were attacking it are all dead and gone. Now look at this. This has recovered so well. It's now grown so huge. Now I'm gonna have to put a trellis on this thing. These are remarkable treatments. And if you like this, take a look at the cucumber recovery from the vine borers.
Now, check out the cucumber plant that was absolutely decimated by vine borers a week ago. We used BT for it, and now look at the progress. Very, very beautiful new growth, and it has recovered so well that now we have cucumbers actually growing, but not one, not two, not three, not four, not five, not six, but well over 7, 8, 9, I think that's another 10 in the back right there, 11 new cucumbers that are growing off this plant. It has recovered so well. And that's why I say party time is actually my favorite cucumber to grow. It is prolific. It does not give a damn. It'll bounce back as long as you help her out. Put her in the ER. Give her that Medicaid, that BT, and she'll come back to you. Thank you for watching Easy Homestead, and please make sure to subscribe to our channel for a chance to win exotic plants such as the Japanese koshu grape, purple sweet potato, and even yucca. Thank you, and catch you on the next one.